Okay, so we've just got to this job and just setting up. We haven't got the hose up yet. We've got some bats for the manholes, got my hammers to lift the roof and drill and that. And first thing I noticed when I look around is that there's some screws left on the roof, right? They're old rusty screws, and they aren't rusting the roof yet, but they will eventually start to rust holes in the roof where they are. And look at that, like there's literally a hole in the roof there, and some kinks. See where they've torn the sheet, so see how this sheet's got the crack through there, but that's because they over tightened the screw, pulled it down too tight and kinked it and tore it, right? So it's not bad, but there's probably some worse ones here. So yeah, so anyway, we're gonna lift a sheet here and get into the roof and insulate that, and then this rake section here, we're going to insulate that, and there's one little rake out the front that we should be able to get from the main roof. But this is a 45-degree pitch on this, so it makes it very difficult to climb around, but because we've got this fall arrestor here, we can work from this face and work through. Anyway, I'll get into it and we'll get the job done.